Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity because night features need stable voltage and a live feed. Check the adapter or PoE injector. Fluctuations cause IR flicker. Once done, wipe the lens and IR ring with a microfiber cloth to remove dust that scatters IR light. Make sure you note the camera model and firmware version so you can download matched updates. If you find visible damage, stop and replace that part before proceeding, since fixes will fail on broken hardware. Now you tweak the image chain. Lower automatic gain control and shorten exposure to reduce grain and motion blur. Higher gain makes noisy night images. Adjust IR intensity or enable smart IR so nearby objects don't bloom while distant areas remain visible. Reposition the camera to a 15 to 30 degree downward tilt and steer clear of glass, metal, or wet surfaces that reflect IR back into the lens. As you change one control, check the live view. Small increments help you balance brightness versus detail. To finish, run a 30 to 60 second night recording to validate adjustments and inspect for artifacts or motion blur. Make sure timestamps and motion detection zones are still correct after changes. If problems persist, consider a controlled rollback to a previous firmware or a selective factory reset. You do this because some updates introduce IR handling bugs. Finally, if you still see dead IR segments or extreme noise, replace the IR LED array or the image sensor. Those
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.